Hey YouTube, I'm back with another one. After making the rounds, this video fell into the laps of some Fisher-Price executives. I know that because they contacted me offering me an overabundant amount of in-store credit in exchange for creating this viral video. They explained, "YouTuber, this is how we always envisioned this product being used." We're going to start off with some common pitfalls to avoid and then later get into what makes a truly legendary launch. In essence, a water balloon launch is made up of two anchors and a launcher. The anchor's jobs are to hold the handles of the launcher at an elevation congruent to the desired trajectory. The launcher pulls the water orb harnessing apparatus back as far as the anchors will permit, then takes aim and releases. The pitfall here is biting off more than your anchors can chew. I'm playing the role of the launcher in this video, and right before launching I got greedy, and in an effort to add just a little more power to the launch, I pulled too hard, creating a fail in the anchor. Now instead of sailing cleanly between the two trees into the neighbor's backyard barbecue, this launch got shredded in the tree. The pitfall here is not taking your time. In this example, you see the launcher pull the water orb harnessing apparatus back too fast, dislodging the orb from the apparatus. In this example, you see correct principles put into perfect execution. The anchors hold steady and the launcher makes a careful yet timely release. This launch was a laser. You can tell it's a laser because there's absolutely no arch in the trajectory. In post-production, this launch was clocked at a speed of 5 miles per second, and if not for this barn, would have surely entered into a low Earth orbit. Thanks for joining me on this one, YouTube, and as always, stay safe and stay frosty.